what's up, TR family? It's Tristan Reacts with another video. This one is a request from at Catherine Edwards 366, and Catherine has requested we do another song from Snowy White. This is live, and this song is called Bird of Paradise. And I will say I truly enjoyed the first one. Started off a little slow, so I was kind of worried, but in the end, he brought it around and it sounded fantastic. So I truly enjoyed that. Definitely some shockers in that one as far as like the keyboardist. I was kind of thinking, oh, he's an old man. He's probably not going to do a whole lot. And then he kicked in and I was like, holy cow. So again, that was incredible. I'm looking forward to seeing if it's number one, the same band, and number two, if there's any more surprises that I'm going to get on this one. Again, Snowy White is considered one of the best blues and rock artists from the UK. So again, incredible. That takes a lot to get that title. So incredible. Looking forward to this. Please do me a favor though. Let's make sure we take care of these artists, as that truly is the main thing we love to do on this channel. So please make sure we do all the amazing things you guys already do. Buying their music, buying the merchandise, going to their concerts, whatever it is. Please continue to do that. And then do me a huge favor. Go down into that description area. Take a look around, because there's a ton of stuff down there. But do me a favor. Make sure you click on that link to get you over to Snowy White's official YouTube channel. Go over there, like, subscribe, and drop them a comment saying, hey, saw you over on Tristan Reacts. And then one other thing that I probably didn't mention in the last one, but please, please make sure when you do go over to their channel that you share some of their videos from their channel, as we definitely want to help these artists out in any way that we can. So I thank you for doing that. And if you like this video, please do me a favor and hit that thumbs up, and also hit that like button down below, as both of those things truly do help us with the algorithms. And please don't forget to share this video also. And as always, let's get into this.
Saw you flying by, flash of turquoise blue. I just had to try to keep your life with you. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise. Wish that I could fly, I'd be beside you now, but I could only sigh and watch you circle round. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise.
Wow, so right from the beginning, doing a great job. His voice is really good. I didn't get to hear a whole lot of it in the last song because it was mostly instrumental, but it was an amazing instrumental. I'm truly enjoying hearing his voice this time, and you can kind of hear him just a little bit on that lead guitar, starting to get ready to kick in, sounding fantastic. Great keyboards also, they're sounding great. I don't think that's the same person on the keyboards. It's hard to tell with, all I'm seeing is the darn stand in his face most of the time, so hard to tell. Not sure about, I definitely can't tell on the drummer. He's so far back there and it's so dark in there, it's hard to tell. It might be the same bassist, but I'm not 100%. And now he's got a rhythm guitarist in this one that he didn't have in the last one. So again, incredible. Truly enjoying this. Let's keep going. I want to hear more.
Sweet bird of paradise, bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise, my bird of paradise. Saw you fly away. When will you come again?
Wow. Again, thank you, Catherine, for requesting this one also, because it's cool to go back and see him younger. The last one that we watched, he was much older than this. Still a fantastic guitarist, but you can absolutely tell youth just brings a whole nother thing, doesn't it? You know, I mean, his fingers are faster, obviously. Absolutely fantastic job. Did a great job in the last one for sure. I'm absolutely loving this one too. Loving hearing his voice. And again, the band surrounding him sounds great. So let's keep going.
When will you come again? So I can watch you play. In the pouring rain. My bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise, my bird of paradise, sweet bird of paradise, my bird of paradise.
Again, absolutely incredible. Just a great guitarist, and I can truly see why he's considered one of the best blues and rock artists or musician in the UK. Absolutely incredible. Loving it, man. And yeah, it looks like it's mostly a different band. Of course, this is many years prior to that last one. You definitely can tell he is much younger in this one, but my goodness, incredible job on that electric guitar, fantastic solos, and again, the rest of the band doing a great job. The drummer sounding great, the keyboardist sounding great, the bass sounding great, and then of course the rhythm guitarist slash backup singer doing a great job also. So again, surround yourself with great people and you definitely look even better. So sounds great. I'm enjoying this. Let's take this all the way to the end. I saw there's almost nothing left, so let's take this to the end.
Thank you very much.
Wow, great job. I truly, truly enjoyed that. So I am so glad that Catherine requested we do two of them. Number one, so you could see him in his older age, but then super cool to see him in his younger age too. So incredible. So big thank you to Catherine for requesting this one. Please let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. I would love to know your thoughts about Snowy White and of course, this song, Bird of Paradise. I thought it was great. I thought his voice sounded great. His abilities on the guitar, absolutely incredible. I enjoyed it, but please let me know what you think. And please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, share this video, drop a comment down below, but more than anything, please make sure we continue to support these artists, just like I mentioned earlier. So please continue to do all the amazing things you already do. And to my TR family, just like Catherine Edwards 366, you guys are absolutely incredible, and I am so blessed and so honored to have each and every one of you in this TR family. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the amazing things that you guys do every single day for this TR family and this channel by giving us absolutely incredible music, fantastic artists, and again, I truly appreciate your amazing comments. So thank you for all that you do. I truly appreciate it. And to those of you who have not subscribed but you would like to become part of this TR family, we would absolutely love to have you. You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button down below or hit that join button. Either way, you too could become part of this amazing TR family. We are trying to get to 10,000 by 1 April. Not sure if that's going to happen, but again, with your help, we could definitely get there. I truly appreciate each and every one of you, and I value each and every one of you also. And as always, peace out. I love you all. Catch you next time.